for sure. All right, so
Be right
essentially,
here.
one of my buddies, we do like a credit repair business on the side. So essentially, you know, like if you have a bad credit score, something like that, we essentially can fix it for you, right? And he's a big investor. He invested all the money, and he basically like, you know what, Andrew, I need you to sell for me, right? So I'm doing all the sales for him, and I've had the opportunity where they actually had a meeting with Jordan Belfort. So it was me and like 10 other people. We got to listen to him sell, kind of, you know, his story.
Yeah.
It was really cool because one of the things like he told us, and the biggest thing was, and this is how you can really master sales. There's three things that you always, if you do these three things perfectly, you'll always get the sale. And it's it's a 1 to 10 scale, and there's three things. So the first thing, no one's gonna buy from you if they don't trust you, right? That's the first thing. No one's gonna buy from you if they don't trust the company. Then no one's gonna buy from you if they don't trust the service. So if you can convince them, you know, 1 out of 10 on all those things, you're gonna get the sale every time. And the example he gave, which I thought was pretty funny, he was like, you go to your doctor, right? And your doctor, you know, whatever, you're saying you're not feeling too well, and your doctor says, I have to put my fingers in your ass. You don't, you know, bat the other way. You don't say no way because they have degrees on the wall.
Right.
If they didn't have those degrees, you're gonna run the other way really quick, you know? So that's what it all comes out. It comes as like credibility. And in sales, if you don't have credibility, like a lot of other things in this life, you're not gonna go too far. So he was just literally kind of going on that. It was also really funny. It was like an hour and a half. He had 6 Red Bulls, like an hour and a half.
Jesus, dude, that's so many. That's 5 too many Red Bulls. That's 5 too many. What?
I said I can't.
Totally missed it.
I can't even do that many Mountain Dews in like an hour and a half. I
Yeah,
can't.
that's what I was gonna say, dude. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Like, I remember, like, in college, John literally had, like, most people had their furnitures in their bed. He literally had cases and cases of Mountain Dew.
Like,
I've never seen someone. It's like you're going to, like, a Sam's Club or something, man.
True, yeah. Like I would like go. Like my dad would like go to Costco and he'd bring me like fucking 4 cases of Mountain Dew and he'd just be like in the elevator and like people would be looking at us and be like, "The fuck are you doing?" And I was like, "It's the nectar of the gods. What the fuck are you talking about?"
Right.
You need that shit, especially with, you know, college classes, you know.
John doesn't even need like sofas or anything. He just has cases of Mountain Dew all over the place.
Dude, like that was honestly how it was. And then like I remember like it got to the point, you know, Bez is a bit of a prankster, right?
Yeah.
So he would like fucking go and like he would like get like, I don't even know how you did it. You'd get like strings and like fucking hang the empty Mountain Dew cans from the ceiling.
Oh my god, that's fucking hilarious.
Because I was also very messy as well, you know. So
Yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense, dude. That's crazy. So you guys live together?
Yeah.
How?
Yeah, so we were just freshman year, we were in the same dorm. And then we didn't live together after that, but we always go to like Buffalo Wild Wings. He was a big Kansas City fan. I'm a big Broncos fan, so we'd always go to those games. Yeah, it was really good. But yeah, so what I wanted to show you guys, I have this with me right here. I'm gonna let all 3 of you guys. I want you to sell me this pen. And it's really funny because he does this obviously in the movie.
Yeah.
And there's a right way to do it, and there's like a billion wrong ways to do it. So, whoever wants to start first, just sell me this pen.
I got a piece of paper. Can you write your name? Supply and demand, right? Isn't that what happens in the movie?
All right. So that's what happens in the movie, but like basically that's the guy that he's thinking of hiring, and basically that was like the first thing he said. So I was incorrect. All right, go ahead.
Do me a favor. Huck that pen across the room. I want to see you do it. Huck that pen across the room.
Yeah, I'll have to get up. I'm not gonna do that. All right, not bad, better, and then let's see what Jobless Bum. Tell me this pen.
I am going to give you a check for $250 if you sign this check. I don't have a pen right now.
Okay. So basically what you guys did, and I essentially did this like last week at a bar too, it's pretty funny. So essentially like the reason why that's incorrect is because necessarily like you give me situations where I might need a pen, but in reality, if it weren't for those situations, I might not really need it. So the biggest thing in sales, and just like selling in general, is you need to ask like qualifying questions. So like, for example, a good question would have been like, are you in the market for a pen? How much money do you usually spend on a pen? Because again, you don't want to sell something to someone that they don't need it. I might not need a pen. You know what I'm saying? So basically asking those like qualifying questions and basically just saying, okay, so are you in the market for a pen? No. That ends the conversation. So you want to kind of ask questions about it, not just kind of say, oh, wow, this pen is really great. It's dipped in gold and all those things. And basically that's how you essentially sell, which I thought was really cool because like you guys, I had the exact same response my first time until I kind of really understood like what it means to, sell something.
That's really interesting. I guess like trying to put that like flip that onto like what it means to content creation. I guess you're not going to get viewers if there's that there are those three things that you have to do to get a viewer to like buy into your stream, right? They have to trust you as a streamer. They have to trust your entertainment, I guess, and then they have to trust like what you do. And if you can accomplish those three things, then you have a pretty darn good chance of someone coming back to watch your streams, right?
Yeah, definitely. Like I think there's definitely a lot of parallels between like sales and like trying to get viewers. Oh my God, yeah. But no, but there's definitely like parallels to like sales and trying to get people to come into your stream. And I think like one of the benefits is that there's already some investment because like people come into your stream,
right?
And they're already somewhat invested, so you're already on the right track if they found your page interesting enough to come on and be like, hey, maybe I'll give it a follow or something.
So someone stopped in the chat. They said I was top sales in NC for Verizon for 4 years straight. He loves sales. Yeah, General. Bej over here, the I guess on your screen, the bottom right, he met Jordan Belfort and he works in sales right now. So it's kind of funny. There's an inside joke with all my friends that whenever they get together, all they do is talk about sales because like 3 of the 5 people in our friend group are in sales. So I just like go over there and like, oh, sales. Oh, sales. So yeah.
Yeah, it's like mad funny too because like John was saying, like we were both like I had a business minor, but like John and I were both poli-sci, and it's just so ironic that we're literally doing like nothing that relates to our major. Just goes to show you.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Exactly. Oh no, and I'm working in human resources. Like psychology is very loosely associated with that, but it's more business, So it's like.
Yeah.
Yeah. But all right. Anything else that we need to say about selling pens or Jordan Belfort before we wrap this segment up?
No, let's hear conspiracy theories. I want to hear his thoughts.
Yeah, Joe is really good with conspiracy theories. I hope you got your tin hat ready, man.